If you want to buy domains for $2 or less on Namecheap, this video will show you the exact steps from start to finish. This is a great way to grab a new domain for a low first-year price, especially if you're starting a blog, a portfolio, a business site, or any new online project. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Namecheap promotions page at namecheap.com/promos. This is the best place to find special deals and discount offers on domain registrations. Once the page loads, look for the section that mentions 99-cent domains or any other domain registration promotions. Namecheap often runs limited offers, so this is where you'll find the lowest available pricing. Now click Find .99 domains. This will take you to the promotion search area where you can look up the domain name you want. Type your desired domain into the search box and let Namecheap check availability. At this point, you're not just looking for any domain, you want to find one that has a promotional extension priced under $2. When the results appear, carefully review the available extensions. Some domain endings may be on sale for a first-year promotional price, while others may cost more. Choose an extension that shows a promo price under $2 and make sure the deal is active for new registration. That part is important because some offers only apply to the first year and may renew at a higher rate later on. Once you've found the right domain and extension, add it to your cart. Before moving on, take a moment to double-check the listing details. Look for whether the displayed price is for new registration or first-year pricing, since that's usually what these promotions are based on. You want to know exactly what you're paying before you check out. Next, go back to the promotions page and see whether Namecheap is showing any eligible coupon codes. If there's a coupon available, apply it before completing your order. Even a small discount can help lower the final total, especially when you're trying to keep the full purchase at $2 or less. Now open your cart and review the checkout total carefully. This is where you'll see the base domain price, any added fees, and the mandatory ICANN fee where applicable. Namecheap may add a small ICANN charge of 20 cents, so make sure you include that in your final calculation. That tiny fee can push the total slightly above the domain's promo price, so always check the final amount before confirming payment. If everything looks good, complete the purchase. After payment goes through, your domain will be registered and ready to use. From there, you can connect it to a website builder hosting platform or email setup depending on your project. And that's it, you now know how to buy domains for $2 or less on Namecheap by using the promotions page, checking the first year price, applying coupons when available, and reviewing the final checkout total before you buy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.